How to do whip pan with blur transition. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline, and I want to add a whip pan transition with blur in between them. First, go to Effects panel and search for Push, drag and drop push effect into between your videos. Then with the push effect selected, go to Effect Controls and set duration to 10 frames. And make sure alignment is set to center at cut. Now right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now drag adjustment layer above your clips and timeline. Change the length of adjustment layer so it starts and ends with the push effect that you added before. Now go to Effects panel and search for directional blur. Drag and drop directional blur effect into the adjustment layer. With adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls panel and set direction to 90 degrees because the slide is horizontal, and set blur length to around 100. Now we have this nice push transition with blur between clips. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.